How to turn off iPhone camera shutter sound. So first thing that you can try is to turn on silent mode on your iPhone. To do that, just flip the button to the back, the button above your volume up and volume down buttons. Once you do this, silent mode turn on will show on your screen and your notifications will now be muted, as well as your camera shutter sound. If you don't want to do this, alternatively, you can also mute the shutter sound without affecting your notification sounds. To do this, open the camera app, access the control center by pulling it from the top right corner of your screen. Now lower down this volume, and once you use the camera, there will be no shutter sound. Now, if this is too hassle for you, you can also try turning on your live mode. As you can see, my silent mode is turned off, but if I take a photo with live mode, there will be no shutter sound. So that is how to turn off iPhone camera shutter sound. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.